So we have just share about our sunscreen, the routine of the sunscreen. But at night you are not going to apply sunscreen, right? So you can apply facial mask. But facial mask is like you put it after you clean your face and apply toner, then you put on your facial mask. Then after that you continue with all your routines like serum, all the things. But like for me, after I clean my for night routine, right, I will normally like 1 week like 2 times to 3 times I'll use like this kind of cleansing mask. Yeah, cleansing mask. Like for me, this one is Mugwort Pore Clarifying Wash Off Pack from XY. So it will cleanse your pores. Like I'm having makeup right now, right? Sometimes I'm having like sunscreen as well. So I scared that I didn't really go and clean my face properly. So after I wash my face, I apply toner. Remember, I have to apply toner first before you use. And then you use this kind of like wash off pack or even clay mask. Clay mask, it works for cleansing also. So you just apply a layer of it and then you do the things for like 15 minutes, then you just wash it off. Then you can see that your pores is getting smaller. They are washing off, they are cleansing your pores like that.
So can we see the inside? Because I haven't seen the XSY.
This one looks goody, but then yeah, looks goody, but then works very very well. Like you see. So okay, I'll leave this here. I use the one on the cap. So like I apply on my face, right? That time I apply on my face, there are a lot of like bitty thing there. You just ignore that and just apply it. This one is like quite tebal.
So you ratakan like you wear a clay mask.
Yeah.
So you ratakan, biarkan on your face lah.
You biarkan on your face, but then when you ratakan, right, you don't think like, oh, just now I take out is green color, right? But by the time you ratakan, it dah jadi a bit transparent dah. Okay, so it's like
no need so thick lah.
Yeah, no need so thick. It's just a thin layer. It's more than enough. And the biji, right, you just leave it on your face. They are working.
So you would say this works as an exfoliator as well?
Not so. Yeah. It has exfoliate effects also, but I feel like the cleansing effect is better because this Mugwort clay mask, right? It not only just cleansing, it also do soothing. So it's like if your face is very sensitive and then at the same time you want to try some clay mask because clay mask is like dries out. Yeah, for sensitive skin quite hard to use it. But for this Mugwort mask, it has soothing effect as well. So when you apply on your face, even though by the time you want to wash off your face, right, you don't feel like those clay mask tegang. So this is the XSY clay mask, their function. So this is like, it looks a bit girly lah, but then it really works well.
So for me, I use clay mask as well, but I only use it like once or twice a week. At least once a week lah. It's for exfoliation purposes lah for me and pore care as well. So I use it in night time after I wash my face, and I just straight away just put this on. It's just a thin layer. I use the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This is also the bestseller.
Yeah, bestseller.
Ippuni. So I usually just go by the bestseller because I takut nak try
Won't get wrong bestseller, right?
So yeah, dia ada the small the beads also, but it's like really small compared to that one lah. Dia sikit. And then the clay mask, I could see that it is dia lebih nipis, but when you put it on, it's more even. It's not like
Some
others.
is like ketul-ketul, right?
The others, can you see? I've tried the I'm From Volcanic Clay Mask. It's a bit too pekat, and then dia susah, a bit harder to even it out on your skin. But this is lighter. Dia lagi, if you pull it, dia tak ada macam sangkut habis you kena ambil lagi. If you pull it,
It's still very smooth.
they're very smooth. And then I just leave it for 10-15 minutes until it dries off. You don't have to put it so thick. Okay, so
just a dry, just a thin layer.
But I dia tak tebal sikit je. Nose area where your pores are larger. And then you have dead skin cells on. Like for me, I have dead skin cells on my forehead, tepi-tepi ni kan. So I letak tebal sikit. So after 10-20 minutes, like clay mask dia akan dry off kan. But this one, dia won't crack. It won't crack like other clay mask kan.
Yeah.
So it's just like dia tegang sikit, But I think it does its job well. Like dia serap minyak. Kadang-kadang my face is oily,
Do
right?
you have the like minyak like bintik-bintik on your nose after you use this? I not this like on your nose. It's like on the layer of the clay mask.
Ada kot.
Because it's like very oily, right? My nose is very oily. If I apply the clay mask, right, you can see they serap the oil, you know. So it's like bintik on the oil. So on the oily part.
I pun tak ada lah nampak the bintik-bintik thing on the clay mask. So I just put it on for like 10-15 minutes until it dries off. Sebab dia nipis, so it dries off quite fast lah. And then cuci kan, I just take a bit of water, just basahkan my palms, and then I just basahkan balik the clay mask, and then I just urut sebab dia ada the small beads, so it exfoliates as well as your pore care, so it cleans inside of your pores. Since you 1 minggu you dah pakai banyak sunblock, maybe that week you banyak pakai makeup, and then you banyak keluar, a lot of impurities, dust out there, right? So you take some time once a week, maybe the weekends, midweek, you pamper yourself with clay mask, sheet mask, anything.
Yeah, so I think that one is the best. I think for the cleansing mask that we can use for like maybe 1 to twice a week. Don't do it so many times. If not, your skin will like dries out and the stretch.
Also, it has exfoliating effects, kan? So you do not over exfoliate your face, especially if you have acne skin. You do not exfoliate your face. Takut nanti lagi luka your kulit, lagi susah, lagi banyak parut, lagi banyak kulit,
and then very hard to repair back.
Yeah, whenever you have like problematic suddenly, like, your skin macam jadi problem balik, even though you have like an extensive skincare routine, always cut down. You stop using the unnecessary. It's not unnecessary like the extra stuff. You just cut down and just go back to your basic skincare routine.
Use like the basic.
Your beginner skincare routine, like you see, this is very mild. This can't go wrong. Alright, this is like water type. Even though you feel like nothing, because bila you dah over some time, you dah biasa pakai the skincare, right? You kena upgrade.
You kena upgrade because they are used to it.
You dah used to it, and you build immunity towards it. I don't know immunity. It's not immunity, but
I don't think
it's something like that. Like you build like,
of course you want
tolerance.
to upgrade.
Yeah, you build tolerance towards it, so you upgrade. So whenever you have like problematic skin, sometimes, so you cut down all the serum, the over accessories, or you just stick to your basic cleanse, toner, moisturize, sunblock. Cleanse, toner, moisturize, sunblock.
So that's the basic one. Okay.